Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So is my screen visible?
it's coming up. Yeah, it's now visible.
Yeah. So this is a very basic application, like not so fancy, but uh, basic, like basics is like your basic stuff. So in this application, what this application basically does is, like if you enter a bill amount, it like and like wait, let me just, I have this on a physical device, so I'll just turn on my camera and show you guys. Wait. Okay.
Rahul, it's muted.
Yeah, thank you, Anupreet.
Yeah, it's
So,
visible.
thank you, Anupreet. So, yeah, so this is a basic application. Like, as you can see, there's a like total per person counter on the top. Like, this basically, and if we enter a bill amount over here, like if we enter 100 over here, so like as you can see, we can. Um, I hope you guys can see my phone screen.
Rahul, if you can try, like, you can join from the join meet from the phone as well, and then you can share your screen from the phone.
No,
Yeah.
no,
Okay.
you can like take the background out, change your background to normal if you can.
Mm, Okay. Wait.
Then it will be visible.
Okay. Wait. Okay, so now is it, now I have removed the background. So yeah, so as you guys can see, like we have this total per person count currently says 0, and if I increase the number of people, uh, in this round icon button, I have just incremented the number of people that can split the bill. So you can see the bill change from total per person change from 0 to 50. Okay, so this is the basic idea of the app. So like if and we can also, using this slider, we can add a certain amount of tip. So as you can see, when I increase the tip, the total per person amount increased from 50 to 66.5, because I have added 33 rupees tip in the total amount, and that total amount is split into the number of people that I have in the round icon, see this. Okay, so this is the idea of the application. So, and
Basically, Rahul made an application for buddies who are like who go to the restaurant और कहीं भी जाते हो तुम लोग
हाँ,
तो
सो दिक्कत होती है ना फ्रेंड्स के साथ अमाउंट स्प्लिट करने में.
बेसिकली बहुत दिक्कत होती है तो एक जने को एंड लास्ट में क्या होता है कोई एक जना पे करता है तो
Hmm.
बेसिकली ये आप क्या करेगा स्प्लिट कर देगा वो अमाउंट को यू कैन पुट द अमाउंट इन एंड इट विल स्प्लिट द अमाउंट इन टोटल बेसिकली सबको इक्वली एंड देन फिर तुम टिप भी ऐड कर सकते हो उसमें अगर तुम अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हो तो वहाँ पे टिप भी होती
हाँ,
है
वहाँ टिप भी देनी होती है, राइट. सो
तो
सो लाइक बहुत कम लोग हैं. देर ओनली 16 पीपल.
नो इट्स ओके राहुल लाइक वी हैव द क्वालिटी पीपल हियर
ओके, या. सो okay, so I hope you guys can see my screen.
दैट्स
So
विजिबल
so as you guys can see, like as I showed you on my screen, on my phone, like this is the top header, like that I made using simple like layouts that are available to us in Compose. Like like this is a surface, like surface is like a blank canvas on which you can, on top of which you can add UI components. So I have added a column basically. So and then inside that column I have um, added a text like total per person, and inside that, and I have used the typography Anupreet used, the dot, so the text is a bit enhanced. Okay, so and then I made this bill form. So basically, this is the main, this is the whole I can say like most of the code of this application is inside this function. So these are the states, like as Anupreet told you, and like if the UI updates, we need to, we need to keep a track of it. So this is the total bill state, this is the bill you can see over here. This is split by state. Split by state was, that number, like how many guys are there, like one or two basically. That count, that was the split by state. And tip amount state, like the amount of tip that you want to give to the like restaurant. And total per person state is total per person state is like is that um, that I guys the amount
The
that
per
is split between
person, yeah, that is the
amount
per
that is
person
split.
gets to pay. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. So total per person is this actually. Total bill state is the bill amount actually. That is entered over here actually. Oh, I so sorry. Mm. So total bill state is this that we enter inside this enter bill amount, and total per person is this, like that is divided into different people. Okay, so this is the like and inside here I have added a slider basically that I showed you. And yeah, so this is the input field, like. And and we have also like checked if valid state. If valid state basically checks like if I show you guys, like basically if I don't enter anything inside this enter bill amount and I press enter on my keyboard of my device, it should not it should not show me anything, right? Because if I don't enter any amount, what will the app split? So this is the edge case that we have covered over here. Like if we do not enter anything, nothing should happen. Like, and if you don't cover this edge case, your app will crash. So this is the edge case that we have covered over here. So yeah, I mean, I can share this on, like it would take time if I like step by step explain everything. I've given you like the total idea of the application. I can share this application, this code. I can make a repository and I can share this code if you guys want. I guess that would be fine.
Yeah, that will work wonders. Like we can all see like how the application is working. Ganesh, can you confirm if I'm audible?
Yes, you are. Well, yes, you are.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're on.
Okay. Yeah. So like now we have seen a simple app. Now we are going to move towards something a little more advanced, a little more of a thing to be considered with. Like it's also simple, but a little more to it. Like by more, I mean more number of screens. So what I made here, like it should be visible by now. The Twitter clone, like we will have you, like you will have used Twitter like once in your lifetime. Like at least I use Twitter. So that's a clone for it. As someone was asking me there, we have not used the scaffold here, but we have made a custom one over there so that there are three icons over there rather than having three buttons. Like with the default styling that is purple, but we are having the three icons over there. And for the bottom navigation, which we wrote are now like when we were making. So now we have got the icons. Like when we are going to click on the icon, they are going to take us to the screen they are going to. Like for the home feed, as we are at the home feed. Like if we are going to do with the message, is it going to take us to the message and we can see the message like that. And these are the tweets. Like these tweets are composables over composables over composables. What I mean by it, like a single tweet, this product is made so that like the elements can be reused. For example, this avatar with goes, when you click on it, it will go to the the page of the person. Like uh, so we have used that same avatar for air, hair, and air, like everywhere where there is an avatar, so that we don't have to write everything over and over again. Yeah. So we can see there are certain like so many files over there. If we can see the profile section, like by profile I mean like when we are going to put when we are going to click on Google there, it's here like the logo, the profile, and what's it happening over there. Like this the profile, like how it's displayed. Is it governed by like over here? Like we can see firstly a scaffold is used for this back button, and then different layouts are used. Okay, so our thing is different here. We are using constraint layout. Constraint layout is a little different from the normal layout. It was much preferably used when we were doing stuff before compose, so that we can lay out elements like it just tells here it's for the avatar. It says for the avatar bottom should be linked to the bottom of the banner. So this bottom of the avatar should be linked to the of the bottom, like where the bottom of the banner is. And we have given an offset so that we can have this effect of it not being aligned properly, but to the midpoint of it, so that it looks and feels like the main Twitter app. We can scroll with the values here. It's a motto to make the dynamic and have them all working together. Like when we click on the avatar icon at the top bar, we move to the draw layout. With the draw layout, we can go to different screens, and with the screens, we can go to the settings and privacy. Like if we move forward to the setting and privacy, as I told in a few moments back, how the nav controller and everything else works, it also uses the same concept to move over to this page with further gives us these icons and data here. Like we can also see in the settings of privacy, the bottom bar is not visible, only the top bar and the little customize is visible. because in this app, like we are not having the navhost inside the scaffold. We are using it outside so that we can have more control over it. It's like our control, like what we want to do. Like if we here see like the navigation controller, uh, it's for the bigger app so that I have to make a different function altogether for it. So like it goes with the navigation, like the start destination is the screen home. Screen home is the main feed of our app, and like then the composables are defined. Like the screen home is take to this composable and other composables. Like this was all done. Like the it's common scaffold you can see here. Like instead of writing like this whole thing for like this whole custom thing for every screen, like the search bar and the notification bar and the message bar, like it was not really a fun aspect. Like we could have automated that. Like as programmers, we don't write stuff again and again. We make sure like like a common scaffold for made so that we don't have to implement this top bar and the bottom bar again and again, and we can do it with proper customization. Like as we can see here, like the top bar is a little different. When we go to the message, top bar goes a little different. So that like how it works over here. Like the different icons were also used. Like for adding icons to your app, like you have to go to the resource manager and then drag and drop the different icons and the different images you want to use in your app, and wherever they you want to use, you not need to write the drawable ID like that we are putting it over here. Okay, so like different in the previous sessions, like we have talked about lazy layout, like Rahul talked about it, like that is afterwards used when we were making the settings screen. Like here we can see like there are different like this is the component, like a single component with a item list so that we don't have to write in and hard code it again and again. Here a lazy column was used with the proper padding so that it looks good, and items were used so that like another composable pod producer that so would cover raw so that we don't have to write it again. Like that goes the same as like what we have in the drawer. As like we don't have the description here, but on that in these we are having it so that like if we just click or change the like the boolean value, we implement that. Okay, so I also will be putting this product up on GitHub so that you all can see. For now, like it will be given as a private event. Like after 60 or after 20, this app will be publicly available, and we will share the link on the WhatsApp group so that you all can take reference. Hope this was good. This is uh, over from the behalf of me.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
So yeah, that was a great session. मैंने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा इसमें, मेरे को भी बहुत चीज़ें नहीं पता थी, तो मज़ा आ गया यार। ट्विटर क्लोन देखा, स्प्लिट वाला ऐप देखा, Yeah, split is a good name, Rahul. You should.
Yeah, I mean, I named it Jet Tip Calculator, but yeah, split is fine.
Yeah. So thank you for participating in Compose. That's all we have for Compose Camp. Now the session is over. This was the second session. All the YouTube links of four of these sessions, like three of these. So we'll put that into YouTube and we'll pass that into WhatsApp groups. So those who have not joined the WhatsApp group can join with the link which I'm passing right now. One second, I have to get that. And
Also, the
also,
people make sure like you are putting the RSVP so that we
basically,
can send out the certificate of participation.
in the first Compose Camp series, I told you about the RSVP and how to do it. So I have not received many RSVPs um, from you people. So like try to like RSVP. It's just a link you have to it basically gives us an understanding that you are attending the event. Okay, so yeah, try to do it from next time. And also we are giving certificates for Compose Camp. So Anupreet, you can tell more details about it.
Yeah, we are going to give certificates. So you can put on LinkedIn for having in like putting saying people like you participated in the Compose Camp. But a more beneficial will be to put the badges that you got from the Google developer profile, like with the course that we gave, like Android Basics with Compose. Those badges are will be more beneficial. So do complete that course, do give all the credits in that, and the
Anupreet,
quit
you're not
like it, that's
audible.
a way of showing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, am I not?
Now you are. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like certificates are that's a way for us to give a token of love, so that and also hope it works.
So Anupreet was not audible. You have to do in like in Compose to get that certificate and post it on WhatsApp. Okay, with all these YouTube links, you can refer to these these videos for learning the Compose. And yeah, that's all we have for Compose. Okay, so you can comment and like, sorry, you can send a message. So how do you like that session? Was good, was bad? You can give your reviews about it. I see 15 people are there only. Thank you, joking man.
And by the way, all of this code will be like available to you. Like
Hmm.
we'll upload everything on GitHub. So
We'll also post that links and GitHub links. Okay. So yeah, I think we are done with Compose. Will For next, I'll tell you what. Um Google Cloud is coming. So this is like the winter season of cloud. Uh, get ready for swags. I think you will get the swags like previous year, but I cannot assure you guys you will get swags. Uh, so basically, don't do it for the swags. Do it for your learning. I've nominated the facilitator for cloud, so you learn Google Cloud also. So there's Android, there's Google Cloud. कितने सारी चीजें हो गई रेज्यूमे के लिए यार, मजा आ गया. So बस ज्वाइन करो यार. I इस वाले सेशन में like I don't see participation any. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिखा यहाँ पे. जो जितने लोग आए, I see the quality, I don't see the quantity. So I don't know why quantity is reduced. I'll try to bring more people. I'll try to bring more sessions. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for joining us in Compose.
थैंक यू गाइस फॉर जॉइनिंग एंड ऐसे इवेंट्स अभी फ्यूचर में भी होंगे, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड लाइक ज्वाइन लाइक और लाइक तुम्हारे कॉलेजेस में और मतलब तुम्हारे दूसरे कॉलेजेस में भी फ्रेंड्स होंगे, उनको भी बताओ.
बेसिकली वो सो स्टे ट्यून्ड इन दैट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. उसमें बहुत लाइक चीज़ें आती हैं. बेसिकली मैं वहीं पे डालता हूँ. बट वी आर इस मंथ में बहुत बिजी था, सो अब मैंने एक फैसिलिटेटर तुम कह सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम के लिए रख दिया है. हाँ, तो वो वहाँ पे भी तुम्हें चीज़ें आती रहेंगी, और लिंक्डइन के लिए भी रख दिया है. सो बेसिकली लिंक्डइन, इंस्टा, हर चीज़ को फॉलो करो. मैं लिंक पास कर दूंगा. वहाँ पे सारे अपडेट्स आते रहेंगे कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या होने वाला है. सो बेसिकली follow some socials. Uh, that's it. Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for joining. Okay,
Thank you for
thank you.
joining, and bye bye.
Bye.
Signing off.